Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, it's been a very long time since our last lecture occurred. So, hopefully, we'll be continuing with the rest of the ethics, GS4 ethics soon, and from this lecture, we'll be continuing that. So, so again, welcome back to the channel. So, in this lecture, we are going to deal with conscience as a source of ethical guidance. So, you might be asking, so what is conscience? So, conscience is nothing but a cognitive process that elicits emotion and rational associations based on individual's moral philosophy or value system. See, okay, you might be thinking like this guy just read the definition from the PowerPoint and like we don't even know what is conscience. See, conscience in the thing, it's nothing but a part of mind which makes you think what you do is right or wrong. The gut feeling we can say it. And a cognitive process is nothing but it is something how your brain acquires the knowledge, processes the knowledge, and uses that knowledge. See, another definition is here is that conscience is a person's moral sense of right and wrong, viewed as acting as a guide to one's behavior. Like it guides your behavior, it shows what is good, what is wrong. Your mind will deal with it, it will make you feel and what is good and what is wrong. It judges the morality of an action and how it is performed along with its consequences. So that is something conscience deals about. So next one is why conscience is an ethical source of guidance. So that's something we'll be dealing with. So as I told you or as I wanted to inform you that it's a very short lecture. So why conscience is source of ethical guidance? A first response. See, it is the first person or first voice that the person hears when you're stuck in any situation. Like it brings in you the thought, that gut feeling, okay, do this when you're stuck in a certain situation. Like, for example, after seeing an accident victim lying on road, it is his own conscience that tells him or her to help the victim, like calling the ambulance and those things. That's the first response which conscience acts as. Helps in changing the society. It is the conscience of people which has often helped society to get rid of irrational practices. So conscience, like what you feel is good or what you feel is wrong. Like we can bring in Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, a former freedom fighter, known personality in modern Indian that's due before independence. So he married a widow, much to the disgust and opposition of the Hindu conservatives who practiced child marriage on sati. So his conscience helping in changing the society, like marrying a widow, helped that phase of period in India with the concept of widow remarriage. Next one is why nation leads to dissonance. See, crisis of conscience is a time when people are worrying because they think that they have done something morally wrong or something unfair. See, it's nothing but a person's moral sense of right and wrong, which shows when it's difficult or important decision must be made. See, when you wanted to achieve the end goal, sometimes, like for example, when you wanted to achieve the end goal, for an example, in a district, an administrative officer wanted to provide documents for elderly people. So, this crisis of conscience wants him to not provide the document because the elderly couple do not have proof. So this shows but the officer does not provide him, the elderly couple, with the document of whatever it may be, and that brings his dissonance, like crisis of conscience, because that guilt feeling will be there. Okay, they're elderly couple and are not able to provide enough documents or enough support of their proof, but still, if that officer has thought he or she could have provided the document, I next one is emotionally intelligent decision. Conscience helps a person in taking emotionally intelligent decisions by not letting them sway with emotionally dominating cases. Like here comes again, when an officer wants to choose between personal gain and upholding the law, any person with proper conscience will choose to uphold the law rather than thinking for personal gains. So, this is something we all have to be working on. The crisis, conscience as an ethical source of guidance. So, hope you guys understood today's topic. It's a short lecture, but it would still help even in our day to day life. So, thank you very much for watching this lecture. Keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.